Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to answer a little more precisely a question I've been having for quite a while now about when 26H2 will be released. So right now, a lot of us are, if you look at your WinVer command, into 25H2, and basically next version is 26H2. The release has been kind of fine-tuned. We kind of know that now it should be from the last week of September to the last week of October. So it might actually come in with preview updates and then be officially a version released with the Patch Tuesday update that will follow. Once again, of course, it's an enablement package. Apparently, it's very small, 500, 600 kilobytes only. It will come, of course, in waves and be released at some people first, but some people might, take months before they arrive to 26H2. It is not a feature update. What that means is that 26H2 does not bring any new features. And in fact, no features that are going to appear are linked to it. There is no more linking to any version of Windows. What this thing will do is simply change this build number in your Windows 11 operating system, and will give you an extra year of support, because every build number version has 2 years of support. So it's there to just do that, nothing else. And so as such, if you're thinking, well, wow, the new features are going to come. No, new features are just rolling out. They are rolling out already. We already have point-in-time restore. We have all sorts of things. We have low latency profile. We have, tons of features that already were promised. More to come. The better performance with PCs with 8 gigabytes, all sorts of things like that. This is not linked to any version number. This is just rolling out. In fact, people that will be on 26H2 and get some new features in the months ahead don't think they're linked to it, because people that are still on 25H2 will get the same updates and the same features. So there's no more linking to a version number. 26H2 is really a very small enablement package. They are still kind of roll it in a way that they always done, which means at first seekers, those that go and check out Windows updates, will see it first. So they'll be looking for Windows updates, and 26H2 is going to be there. Then they'll be pushing it slowly, and then they'll be pushing it to everybody at some point. And like they always do, some will have it the first day, some will have it in 4 months, 5 months after. But really not a feature update, nothing new, just a change in build number and in the extended, 1 more year of support added to your Windows 11. So all the new features, they're already rolling out on us. They're already going to roll out also after 26H2, but they'll be rolling out for everybody, even those that have not updated to 26H2. So like I said, no features are linked to this. This is really just a very small enablement package. So late September to late October is the time frame for 26H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.